Hi guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, we overview the one most useful feature in a Copilot Studio in a chatbot at a knowledge source section, which is the one most useful option is which is the group your file. So we overview that option in this session. So you can see now I just opened the Copilot Studio. For viewing the demo, I just navigate the one Copilot agent. I just click on it, which is the website Q&A. So you can see that the chat agent is open now. Just go on the knowledge section. In the knowledge section, you can see the at the left corner you have the one button which is the add knowledge. Just click on it. After the click on it, you can see the add knowledge window is appear. At the below you can see the multiple connectors like a public website, SharePoint, Azure SQL Dataverse. So this connector you can use as per your requirement as a knowledge source. You can see that the one option which is the upload file. I just give this demo on the one scenario based example. If you have one pilot engine which you have created, which is the give the employee resume based summary to give the information about the employee. If you have the multiple records on your local, which is the employee resume PDF file, if you want to use that file as a knowledge source, but for the multiple, so basically you can do the one thing for it. Just here you can see that just click on the upload file and select that multiple. For this demo I just selected that the 2 option here. After the selecting that file, you can see that here is the one option is appear, which is the group this file preview. Click on it. Now you can give here to your group file name, which you want to. I just give it employee resumes. Here you can add a description also. After going there, just click on to add agent button. So what it do here, it's just take your multiple file and group at one place. If you add the knowledge source in your agent, you not select particularly one by one file, you just select this group as a knowledge source. Now here you can see that the employee resume group is created successfully. Here you can directly select the group of this file as a knowledge source in your chat agent. So I think this is the best way we can use the multiple scenario or multiple use cases. I think this feature is very helpful. So thanks. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Upcoming video notification, just click on the bell icon.